Hey, it's our friend Student here, and today I'm going to showcase how to create a pie chart using JavaFX and Scene Builder. So first, let me just showcase how it's going to end up looking. And this is the example I have, just a very simple pie chart where I am showcasing some fruits and the amount of the fruit. So I have some grapes, which I have 50 of, some melons, some apples, and some oranges. And down here has some text explaining, like again, apples amount 2, and so on. And we're seeing that as well demonstrated on the pie chart. And of course, we are seeing these colors demonstrating the percentage amount of the fully amount are grapes. In this case, take 50 out of 80. And we can see it's probably with just about more than half. So let's demonstrate how I get this working. It's actually quite simple. So inside Scene Builder, I just very simply have a anchor pane, which a pie chart with an ID. So I can add some data. And in this case, I just added some random text to demonstrate its fruit. I then inside my controller class, first have an initialize statement, which allows me to add some data before the window is done loading. I then simply create an observable list, taking the PieChart.data objects. I'm then simply creating a new fx collections observable array list, and then adding some objects, a new PieChart.data. I then have a name of the specified data point and a value. I'll have my apples, 2, oranges, 25, and so on. And then also, because if I just do this, so let's actually create a comment to demonstrate. If I don't define the naming convention of my specified data, I would just get grapes, melons, apples, oranges. Then I'm not able to see the numbers. But what I can do is simply go through my PieChart data observable array list and then define for each data point using a lambda expression data.nameProperty.bind. So I'm changing the way the naming is done by simply having a binding done.concat, where I just first get the data name, so apples. I then add a string amount and the value, which allows me to get this pie chart where it's very easy to tell what the values are and how everything is set up. So, and then of course I just in the end just have my pie chart that get data that add all pie chart data. So I simply create the data, I define how I would like the naming to be, and then I just simply add all my data points to my pie chart. And I would just demonstrate, I would pretty easily be able to simply just add a new pie chart data. Let's see if I can think of a fruit I don't have already. Let's go with a lemon. Let's say we have 100 of those. So now, because everything is set up, and I just run it again, you can see everything just automatically changes and fits into the defined numbers. So if you enjoyed this showcase of how to use the pie chart with JavaFX and Scene Builder, please leave a like and subscribe, and I wish you all a wonderful day.